we have three phases engine. We have two phases engine. All those engines cannot function without electricity. What do I mean? Those three phases engine, we use it to teach our students in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, mechatronics, and all that. Without electricity, those machines cannot function. It means that the students will not be able to have access to those machines. It becomes useless. So when I came in, I set up a power committee led by engineer Okoye is a power man, and that committee provided three solutions. One of them is that we should connect, we should buy a changeover to NEPA so that they can connect us, so that when there is fault in any line, they can remove that line and give us electricity. We have done that. We are having a bit of electricity, but that's not enough. The second aspect is that we want to connect our line directly from Papa land to feeder, directly to the polytechnic. That project will cost about 500 million naira. And that we are saying that if government is able to fund that, we will have electricity in 24 hours in the polytechnic. Everything we want to do now, because in terms of biometrics, imagine if you are able to do biometrics. What do I mean? Students in the classroom, we are able to monitor whether they are there. In the outside, we are going to monitor whether they are there or not, so that we will know where they are there. The parents will be very happy. That is not achievable without electricity. So we are saying that if there is funding, then there will be electricity very shortly. Lastly, the third option is turbine hydropower. The committee did a research and found out that if you have a turbine engine at our Kokoto screen there, that river can power it if it's expanded. And if it's expanded, if it power it, you can supply electricity internally in the polytechnic and also supply to the adjoining community. So if you want to do that, we need government support. That's why, to what CBC said earlier, now, what do I expect from the incoming federal government? My expectation is that federal government, in fact, the state government, will fund technical education. When you fund technical education, sometimes ago you recall, China converted their university to polytechnic. You think as great as China is, they are not smart enough. They know that in the world today, what is important is what you can do with your hand. It's not what you can do by writing theory and this. What can you do? Can you fix this equipment? For example, we are saying that Dokita is doing a refinery in Lekki there. Who want to maintain that refinery? Who want to maintain that refinery? We are talking about trade. Who are the engineers that will maintain the trade? We are talking about also a lot of facility coming up. Cement technology in Dokita there. Who want to work there? Are they not this polytechnic graduate? Yet the polytechnic is not. We are saying, we are pleading that the government give more attention to government so that we can now perform their function as a technically gifted project. Let me tell you, we have innovated a lot of things. We have come the other time somewhere we have innovated. Those innovations are still on the shelf because we don't have electricity. If you have electricity, I am telling you, we can produce a lot of things in this project. We have our students producing drone flying all about, but nobody is assisting them. They are rotting away. And that when our graduates of project go to university, they perform best. So why are we not giving attention to the project? I want to challenge you. The problem of Nigeria is by not funding polytechnic education properly. We appear to give attention more to the university that is main theoretical.
Thank you so much. Thanks.